Y'all can hear me? Let me check. He's back. Hey, what's up? Y'all can hear me, right? Everything's good? Let me make sure if everything's working good. But the minute I left trading view, I need to repay it. Now we went back to the normal plan, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pay that one right now. Let me check, boys. Okay, everything is good. Everything is good. Okay, perfect. Let me just go ahead and pay for trading view right now. Give me one sec. Let me go and pay for it right now. I cannot do my analysis without trading view, so without like multi-chart, so okay, it's slowed in. Let me see if it's gonna go through. Oh, I need the password. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm just go back to live stream and then we can fix that in a minute. Good morning, Pujas. Let's see too. I haven't even started. So let me just go to daily really quickly. Oh my god. So PSP. That closes the PSP. Just the other fact that my trading view now is not paid, so I gotta pay in a minute. And now that I found out, I gotta find an ECMS, so I'm gonna go through that right now. PSP. Shallow opposing run, which supports expansion. Let me check if everything is working good on the stream. Okay. PSP just traded above a high, and there's nothing really here that would hold price from going lower other than the gap itself. So I still think I wanna take sells. Also, the previous monthly candle, the current monthly candle just traded above the previous monthly candle, so that's why we're seeing that reaction. So hopefully, not hopefully, maybe it is like an open high, low close for that monthly candle, but that wick doesn't support expansion. So we might just trade it back into daily open. Give me one sec, guys. Y'all can hear me now? Okay, I'm back. Let's say PSP. 4 hour. Let me check. Yeah, we're getting the C2. Shallow opposing run. Alright, so we get the shallow opposing run. So the C2 so far, the current candle might close the C2. We still support expansion on the downside. We still get that draw. And again, as I said, if I want to trade away from a level, I don't want to target that level. I want to target, since this level swept that level, so I'm going to target this level. So I'm just going to go ahead and target that one. So we got the C2 right there. Yeah, I'll just literally seek C3 expansion either into that level or into that draw. Like that's really what we'll be looking at. CL, we just trade above the previous daily high for our, my god, trading view without multi-charge is just pain in the butt. Already reacted from this one. Okay, I would ideally take ES. That looks clean. Oh wow. Let me check what is going on. Wait, boys. Wait, boys. Alright. Order pattern ranges. I think this open high. What I ideally want to see on CL is that we have just traded above that swing high. In terms of the daily, yeah, we're expanding higher, but on the 4 hour, come on. Oh, that's freezing up, bro. Come on. Okay. So what I really want to see, so if this candle doesn't reverse, ideally I want the price to reverse off of this high. Hopefully we can form like an hourly swing here, and then some sort of two-stage cracking correlation. We can trade it back into the daily open. So you can take it back to daily open or into these daily lows, okay? So that's what I really be looking at on CL. HO. This one is freezing up. I don't know why the charts keep freezing up, man. My god, okay. We back. So I just traded above that level. RB. Sorry guys, the quality of today's stream might be a bit off compared to like yesterday and stuff. Trading view. Just canceled the subscription, so I gotta redo it. Instead of opening 3 charts, I'm just opening 1. The internet is not working good, so this is like a down setback, like a minor setback, so we're not gonna let that be on the way. RB gold. I like gold. I like how gold is closing a C2 from here. Hopefully we can have we have some sort of SMT or PSP. We don't have anything. Let me go on silver. Let me check. Yeah, we have a PSP and we also have an SMT. Okay, so we have SMT with this level. We have first stage, and then the second stage is the PSP, so I can trade it back into probably the 2200 high or back into the daily open, which is here. So that will be the daily open. So I will be open to trading. I'll be open to trading back to be trading gold back into daily open. Okay, let me just check. Am I late? Not really, not. It's still like we had to close the stream and redo it again because we had some trouble, we had some issues. So come on guys, let's see the likes. Let's see the likes going from 4 to 10. Come on, like we had the rough start, the internet and like the trading view. So come on, can we take it to 10? Can we take it to 10 and then we continue? RB. So yeah, again, so let me now try to do the top down because yeah, I was just rushing. So first thing, what do we have? We traded above external. So the universal model is external to internal or external to external. So I'm open to trading both models, but again, since I'm just trading within that day, I'm not gonna seek external to external. I'm just gonna seek external to something internal or like an hourly external. Okay, so that's the first thing. I hate that. Okay, so the 4 hour, what the 4 hour is saying, if you guys really check what do we got, this is the daily open. So the daily open, this is 1800, shallow opposing run, price expanded, we just traded below a level, retracement, C2 formation, and this is the ideal swing formation. What do we have? We still got draws on liquidity to target, so that's what I'm going in. That's my bias. The daily is going bearish. We has just traded away from a key level, which is the previous weekly high, I guess. Let me check. Yeah, previous weekly high, also previous monthly high, and we have a daily closure. So now we're trading that daily C3, which supports expansion with that shallow opposing run. We got an open draw, so I'm just gonna go ahead. What do I want to see? Retracement to form that swing to confirm the high at 10 a.m. candle, and then look for expansion into the current low of day or back into that draw. So that will be the first thing. That's the only thing that I will be looking at for NQ, and same for ES. And I think ES was looking a bit better due to the fact that this draw is nearby, and also when we have that sweep, price kind of reacted off of that level, then kind of bounced. So if we form that swing, now instead of going for that level, now I can trust that this level is going to be the next draw. So that's it for me. I guess ES might close bullish. YM is already closing bullish, so we might see PSP, which is currently a PSP. But due to the fact that my trading view just stops us, literally just now they sent me an email. They said like your subscription ended, so I gotta repay it. And I'm like, we'll try to do it in the stream, but I gotta do it while I'm alone because the card and stuff. I gotta redo my card. So yeah, that's literally all what I'm looking for. Open high, form a new swing, then continuation lower. I'm aligned with the daily. The monthly starting to look like a C2 closure. Traded away from a key level. Daily supports expansion. Previous daily candle closes C2 as a beautiful C2 and it's a PSP. Let me check if we have V2 stage. We don't have V2 stage actually. Like we don't have V2 stage PSP on here. But again, we have the first stage, which is the PSP itself. And again, it's really clean. So that's it for NQ. Let me just go ahead and go to the hourly. So what do we got? So this is a C2. Right, this is a C3, so we can still trade the C4 expansion, but again, look how far price expanded. So ideally, what I want to seek somewhere in here, which is that T spot that T-Trace talks about. Hopefully we can find like a gap. So we got this gap. So hopefully we can try to manage and frame an SMT fail or a new swing formation off of that gap and then take it to the lows. So that's really all what I'm looking at. Yes, we'll close the gap. YM. So since NQ got the gap, so that shows that NQ is the weaker asset, which is the weakest asset on the triad. So hopefully it will show failures to manipulate for ES and YM to kind of continue lower. But look at YM, it's so decoupled, but again, we're just traded from a gap, which is the new invalidation level. So hopefully we can try to frame shorts off of that high, and that would make it really, really beautiful. So by the time YM takes out that high, what we will have a two-stage PSP. Look how far the current price from the current high of that candle. So by the time YM takes out that high, what we'll have? The first stage is the PSP on a 4 hour, and the second stage is the SMT. That just makes it A+++ to take shorts. Okay? And what I noticed is price just expands. Like when it expands, it just does. So I will try. I might hold for a bit longer. I might. Again, it's not sure, but yeah. Let me see. Hello, my 4 hour chart starts from the 9. How can I fix it? That's yours. Because you're not using the futures contract. You're not using the CME, which is for the futures. Okay, I think. Let me check US 100. I guess it's a 9. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's a 9. So because you're using US 100, you should use NQ, but you need to have the live data. You can use CFD index if you don't have that. Yeah, no, I do have the live data. It's just the trading view, the premium plan stopped because I pay each month. So now I just got an email now that they start. So and when I close the stream, I reopened trading view, and now it's not, because if you guys check the first stream, it was with the multi-charts. Come on, can we make it to 10 likes? Come on. We got 7 and we got 21 here. So let's see, just 3 more likes. Let's see if we can get it, take it to 10, and then maybe take it to 15. Yesterday we got 27 likes, which is a new record. I took a screenshot of it. So let's see if we're gonna break that today. And yeah, use the FX. Yeah, so it's B trades. So the people here recommend that you use FXEM. I think it opens at the same time as futures. Okay. So what do we got? Hopefully, as I said, I really want to seek 15-minute continuation since we're in that expansion phase. Since we're, oh, come on. Beautiful. 13 likes. Beautiful. Let's see if we can take it to 15. I'm just going to go keep greedy. Okay, 13, let's go 15. Let's go 20. But yeah, if you guys can like the live stream, if you guys like what you see, if you guys enjoy, if you guys learn something, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If we start framing shorts at the moment, we tap the cap, or you would wait for the 15 minutes to close like a C2. No. In that case, I will just be open to trade in the C2. If this one closes as a PSP and we have the second stage, I would be willing to trade the C2. I will not. When you've got expansion, price will not wait for a C2 closure and then continue. I just want to be in that expansion. Okay. Hey bro, am I late? What script? In longs in ES. Script? I guess maybe. Hey, I sent you the script for the chief. Oh, on my email. Let me check. I did not check that email because it's not like my main email. So let me check. Can you send it to me, please? I will share it with you guys right now. Let me check. Let me log into that account and I will share it with you guys right now. At Gmail. Okay. Let me check. Okay, I got it right there. Okay, it's here. All right, perfect. Let me see. Is it this one? Okay. So we got it now. So I have the script, guys. I have the script. Now what we can do is probably. Do you guys have any ideas? How can I share it? There is no. You know what? I'm just gonna open it, send it class, send it to Refiner so that I can share with everyone else. Perfect, man. You know what we're gonna do? Oh, we got 30 viewers. Oh wow, new record. Let's go. Welcome everybody. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let me take a screenshot for that new record. Let me try to GitHub. Perfect. I'll go ahead and upload it on GitHub. Y'all got GitHub? You guys want it on GitHub or Drive or Mega or Dropbox? Which one you guys use the most? Let me know which one you guys. Let me just. I will wait for your answers and then that way I can just upload it one time, or we can open like a Discord server right now and just upload it right there so you guys can take it. What do you guys think? Yeah, so give me suggestions. The one that you guys use the most, I can go ahead and do just that. So if you guys use GitHub, I can go ahead and use GitHub. If not, we can use Mega or Drive. I think Drive is easy, so I'm just go ahead and upload it to Drive. What's the script? Says Discord. Okay, y'all want Discord? Perfect. So you guys want? Okay, Telegram. Telegram is also a good idea. All right, you know what? Discord. Okay. So we can, by the end of the stream, can you guys wait until the end of the stream and then we open a new Discord? Okay. So let's just wait until the end of the stream and then we can open a new Discord. Let me see where RB is headed. CL. Is it still continuing to the direction we want? Discord, bro, I can't hear you clearly. Okay. Now y'all can hear me? I guess now it's better. I just raised the volume a little bit. I guess now it will be better due to the fact that I just raised the volume from the mic. Okay. I think now it will be better. If you guys can hear me better now, let me know. Oh my god, the ads everywhere. Let me go ahead and pay for trading view. Yeah, perfect. Better. Okay. All right. So let's see. Let me log into my TradeOvate. Give me 1 sec. 1 sec to log to my TradeOvate. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and log TradeOvate. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so we're back. Okay, let me see. Yes, is it really close to the high? So that's good. YM. Okay, I'm sure we will have E2 stage. So I should be open to take a short on NQ. That's why I kind of logged into TradeOvate right now. But the lower time frame price action is not the best. Hopefully we can trade above the high while one of them assets doesn't break the high. Hopefully. I don't like how price is closing right now. I don't like how it's forming. Can you hear my sound? Okay, that's good. Because sometimes when I raise the volume of the mic, y'all can hear the background noise. Or for example, if I move my chair or if I use my phone, for example, just drop it. I'm sure y'all hear that noise. Let me check. Like whatever I do, y'all can hear. Like it catches a lot of noise. So do you have a Discord? I have a personal one, but by the end of the stream, we're gonna open a public one. So we're gonna just put a server right there. So we're just gonna have a new server. YM. I think YM is gonna break above. Okay, so we got the 10 a.m. open. Okay. Let's see. Like that looks like a clean new validation level, but the only issue is it haven't reacted off of anything. That's the only issue. This level haven't been formed off of anything, so it's just like open high, like a close below. That's really it. Bro, can you use 4 hour buys, 15 minutes swing and 1 minute entry? Yeah, you can, but I just prefer the 3 minute and hourly. They're just better. They give you just more confidence. because like for a 4-hour candle there are only 8 30-minute candles. So when you have a swing, it's like more probable than like the 15-minute. But let me see. Let me try to. Okay. CL. Okay. What I want to see on CL. Let me see if it closes C2, like this hourly candle. Oh my god. I don't know why the internet is not really good today. The VPN, not the internet, because I use the VPN. In China, you cannot use TradingView, you cannot use YouTube, you cannot use anything, so you have to use the VPN. So the issue is from the VPN. My internet is really good, but the VPN is sometimes in. Come on. Yeah, this one is taking too long to light up. Come on. My god. Oh, you're from China? No, I'm not. I just live here. I've been here for like 3 years. Probably in like the next 2 years I'm gonna go to another country. Why do you choose China? I came here to do my software engineer, mate. I graduated as a software engineer. That's why. I'm still 21. I'm 22 right now, so I just graduated last year. So, and I'm still I like the vibe here, so I just stayed. I was like, you know what? Let me stay here for a bit more. So I'm planning to stay here for like a year or 2 or 3. I'm not really sure for how long. But yeah. As long as I'm liking it, I'm just gonna stay. Did you learn Chinese? Yeah, but I'm not that good. Now currently I'm doing a 1-year Chinese language course, so I can speak some Chinese. Give me 1 sec. I got a call. I'm really thankful for this free information. You're welcome, man. I'm sorry, boys. I'm gonna go ahead and pay TradingView. I just don't like. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep scrolling between the charts. So let me just go ahead and activate my country's SIM card. That way I can receive the code that I can pay, and then we'll be back to streaming. Yeah, I just don't like how we're streaming right now. Excuse me, guys. Give me like extra minute or two, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and pay for TradingView. I don't know why. I entered the code and they say it's not the correct one. So let me just go ahead and check again. Wait, guys, I don't know why TradingView doesn't accept my payment. It doesn't go through. I don't know, for some reason they say like whatever same code I provided is not the same, and that's the same code that they entered. Let me do it one more time. Come on, bro. Yeah, that's what they say. Oh my god, I don't know why. Light shot. There you go. I don't know why. Like it says here, le mot de passe que vous avez entré ne correspond pas au code généré. Like this basically means like the password that you have entered is not the same that we have generated for you. So I don't know why. Wait. I think now it's gonna be fixed. Wait. Because I have to now talk to... Finally, I guess now it will work. My god. Bro, what's up? Look at that. Why is the error? Why? Why do I have an error? But the code they generate is on the SIM card. Like they send me on SIM card, but I don't know why. It's not like it's the same that I get on my eCM on my messages, but when I enter it, they say no, it's not. I don't know why. How many language? That's another question. We can talk about it later. So give me guys 1 sec. Let me just 1 sec again, guys. I'm gonna go ahead try one last time because I cannot trade like this. I would rather miss a trade than trade like this, bro. Like it's just too painful. I cannot. I'm used to like having my 3 charts open, all my indicators on, my PSP, like now I just gotta do double work. So and I'm gonna pay for it anyway, so I'm just doing it now. Sorry guys that I had to go through it right now. So let me do it again. One last time. I think I still got like one chance more. If now like I have an issue with like the password, they will probably like give me like a duration where I should wait. I think we can form that 2-stage, I guess. We can form that 2-stage and keep trading above the highs 15 minute. Let me close that out. My mistake. GC. Oh my god, don't tell me I missed gold. My god, bro. That's my trade. Literally, that's my trade. That's my trade to that high. My days. This is one of the downsides that when you live in China, you cannot have your own international card. And I cannot use my own country's SIM card. So now I gotta talk with my sister. She got my own SIM card, so I have to talk to her and then keep sending me every message. I don't know why it is like that. I don't know. It's the problem from China or my country. And here we cannot open an international bank card. So when you have money here, there is an app called WeChat, and you're only allowed to use it in China and Thailand. Other than that, you cannot use the money. Even if you have it here, that's like one of the issues. And you want to pay out, like if you want to pay, for example, TradingView or anything, no, they do not accept Alipay. Here it's TradingView. They do not accept Alipay. So I gotta keep talking with my sister. So let me guys try to figure that out. Maybe I can use her card instead of mine. That is really unfortunate on goal. That was literally my trade, as I said. That's my draw. I guess that was my draw. No, it's not my draw. Oh yeah, the daily open, as I mentioned earlier. So yeah, let's see if price is gonna drive up to the high, and that's gonna be really unfortunate. That's literally my trade. That's literally how I would go about it. Let me try for one last time. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna get back to the chart. I'm gonna fix this later. Finally! Oh my days, bro. Finally, guys. Finally. Beautiful. Yeah. Perfect. Let me talk to her just a... All right, now I'm fully back. So let me just, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Starting soon. I'm gonna relaunch TradingView, so that way it will open up with my new subscription. Let me go ahead and reopen it, and now I think we'll be good to go. Finally, man. Oh my god, bro. We wasted like almost half an hour, bro, for not. Let me check. Okay, let's see now. Boom. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Life feels good now. My indicators are there. Everything's good. Perfect. Okay. Let me see what happened when I was gone, man. Okay. I'm really thankful for this free information. Welcome, man. Najka Najib. Are you profitable already? Yes. It's trading there legally. And what about taxes? You know, I don't pay taxes here, actually. The money goes straight to my country's bank account. So today's Nasdaq YSL. I mentioned already, we got that daily C2. We're trading that C3. Candle supports expansion, open draw, that's it. Just 1 minute explanations I can request. ATOMM, yes. SMTOD, yes, and previous. Do you code? Yes, but I stopped coding. No, I got the indicator randomly, but I can tweak it a little bit, build the indicator. I think the code has some bias. Do you call? I think you asked Pharaohs, right? Okay, ask Gemini or GPT. Give me your card to try. Give me your card to try. That's a good one. Missed gold. Oh, who said missed gold? Exactly. It's nice, bro. Whoever mentioned gold, GG's, bro. What's his name? ESB Trades. ESB Trades is a good one. Really good observation, man. Is it okay? You can work with free version. Nah, bro, I cannot. We do all that. You are French? No, I'm not French. How many languages do you speak? 4. I speak 4 languages. You should use a code that generates to proceed to payment. Okay, can apply the payment if you use 3 times. Yeah, exactly. I had like 1 chance left and thankfully it worked. Go to contact support. Oh, sir, payment done. Yep. Contact support. I'm long. Yes, because YM didn't reverse from last night. I don't have BSP or SMT. Are you profitable already? Yes. Are you not using yours? Are you not? Oh, this is Feroz. So we are bullish and long. So yes, you didn't reverse from mine. Don't accept Alipay. No. Are you profitable? Yes. I guess also Proform don't accept China. Yeah, exactly. They don't accept China. But I'm not gonna talk about this on live stream, so they might take all my funded accounts. Alright, what about BBeat? BBeat. I like the crypto. I guess also Proform. Wait. I guess also Proform. Yeah. Congrats, finally, everyone like this. Oh, thank you. Moonlight, thanks. Do Proform accept China? No, it's not allowed in China. Did we just retrace on daily in Q and ES? Yup. Oh, what is this? Yes, but that's good. Retrace to give me more draw to trade into. That's beautiful. Did you just retrace? Is your indicator free? Mine? Sir, please explain. Only 1 minute. Why Nasdaq bearish, please? My bad. Didn't hear your profit warning. No worries. No, Snaggy, because I was not talking, so I had to go through all the chat right now. So yeah. For the Moonlight, again, just gonna go now. Now it just feels smooth, bro. Like trading view. PSP traded above a draw. C2 closure. What we're expecting is C3. The monthly just traded above. The current monthly candle just traded above the previous monthly candle. Also, we have just traded above the previous weekly candle, and the last day is a C2. So now we're expecting a bearish C3. So everything it says we want to trade to the downside. Is the range rebalanced? Yes, this range is rebalanced. Is the next range rebalanced? Not really. We have just rebalanced the range. So far I'm expecting shorts, but do I expect a reversal from here? There is nothing really on the hourly, anything that we can reverse off of. Oh, what just happened? Okay. The only level that I think price is going to reverse off of is this level or this level. Ideally this level. Ideally this low that price wants to reverse off of. Again, it might reverse from here. You never know. But ideally the narrative would just, the high of day is somewhere in here. So this is the high of day. This is the high of day. We have a new protected swing aligned with that direction. So we got a new protected swing, another one here. So why would I trade into a protected swing? I'm just going to wait, form a gap. Hopefully this one closes a PSP or like a 15-minute PSP. Form that second stage, trade the C2. If the C2 doesn't look clean, I'm not going to trade the C2, wait for the C3 and take it bearish. We got to draw the universal model external to internal or external to external. Again, price is currently really far from that low, so I'm not really going to be aiming for that one as a target for today. So that's why. Like, yeah, just go to the daily. It will give you the narrative. 4 hour. Previous 4 hour candle is C2. So I'm not really going to reverse. I'm not going to change my bias just because this one traded lower. And it might form like an hourly swing. This hourly swing might just be the catalyst for a pullback to trade back into the gap to then continue lower. So that's like the whole narrative. Man, now I feel like I'm energized. Once the trading view is back. The mini trading view is back. I'm back too. All right, so I'm gonna go to 30 minutes, see what's going on right there. If we have a gap, yeah, we do have a gap. So ideally you want to wait for that candle to close. What do we got? We got this SMT right there. So we're having an SMT right here. But like ES is really crawling back up and we're trading back into the daily open. Like the daily open is here. The daily open is here. So we're almost at that daily open. So let me see. It will be, I might anticipate like a daily projection profile on ES because it's really near the current high of day. So you might have that new high of day formed with NQ, since it's being the weaker asset, might form that lower low to then continue lower. If not, then we'll just go ahead. If we're required to change our bias to longs, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and wait. And if I want to take reversals, as I said, I require 2 stage. Okay, I require the 2 stage. So let me go to hourly and CL. Okay. Oh my god. RB. It's probably bullish. Okay. Let's see how it's closing right now. 4 hour. Ideally, I want to see like one of the highs gets taken out. Like I don't like to trade with any previous candles range. I don't like to trade. For example, this 4 hour candle literally just closed. The only time I want to trade inside of that candle, if I want to trade aligned with it, not irreversible. So in that candle, if I want to take shorts, I want ideally the key level to be here, like for the high to get taken out, or like to have some sort of SMG. So for now, it's not what I want, but it's okay. Let's see the 15 minute. Do we have a? Yeah, we do have an SMG. Okay. We do have VPSP. No, we don't have VPSP. Okay, we only have this first stage. Let me see. Bro, why am I just pushing higher? Holy shit. Holy. It's just like I'm going. Let me see gold. Oh, gold is shooting back lower. Good. Thank you. So I'm just go ahead and expand my charts. 15. Let me see what's going on in 15. Hopefully this one closes bearish. Hopefully. That would be good. If this one closes bearish. But the leading asset is YM. It is not reversing. So I'm not really... In that case, I think I mentioned it on the backtesting session I did. When we have two decoupled markets, I'm just gonna trade it as a single asset itself. Okay, YM showing me it wants to go higher. I'm just gonna try to frame longs off of it. Not because NQ supports shorts, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to force that buys here. And same vice versa. I got the daily swing, I got the draw still open, I got the new invalidation level. If we form a swing, then there's nothing really that's gonna tell me not to take it just because YM is expanding to the upside. So in that case, because they're so decoupled, like this one is expanding lower, this one is expanding higher. And while this one was expanding, this one was also expanding. So if YM decides to continue to expand, most likely this one also is gonna take one from direction. So that's why I don't use, like, when it's so decoupled, yeah, I just use them as single entities. So. All right. Let me play music. Let me run my Spotify. House music. Yeah, I like the background song, or y'all want me to change it? You guys want to listen to something else? Maybe like try to find like a house music that is not with no copyright, so we can run it in the background. Like some people would see this as like this is the first stage and we got the SMT here. So like to take longs on ES, like it makes sense. Or also on YM, but like YM's having, they're really expanding higher. I would preferably yes. I wouldn't live stream if I'm. Let's see what's gonna happen right there. $15 30 Okay, we got an SMT here, but it's not really. About to get M15 PSP above gap on gold for continuations. Let's see. Oh, we need the closure, and then if we can trade that second stage, that would be beautiful. That would be a beautiful trade. Not gonna lie. I might even just go for, like, there are a lot of stacked highs here, so ideally, gold gives us that C2. I don't want the SMT to be higher. I want the SMT to be here. Let's see. So still got 1 minute for the candle to close. Bro, what about the promise? Yeah, of course, that was still, the promise is a promise. Would you study or rather trade? Of course trade. Salam alaikum. Alaikum salam. Which package did you buy? For trainer, I just you buy the. Let me check. What's his name? The second package, not the first one. The second one. Did you take a trade in Nasdaq today? No, but not. I don't need the seconds, so I don't go to the seconds. Okay, gold. Show me what you got to offer. NQ going high, right? I really, for the time being, I'm just focused on shorts, to be honest. I'm just like so interested in shorts, like just single buys for shorts. But I need that second stage. 15-minute. Is that a not really a PSP? Yeah, I am. I told you your name is Umayman. We have a female trader. I told you already. It's good to see like a female trader. It's really good. I spot your name yesterday. I must say like you got a female. So today I'm very confused. Nasdaq after 9:30. What's? Oh, I'm not sure. Sir, today I'm very confused. Nasdaq after 9:30. What's why? I'm not trade, sir. I really don't understand what he said there, bro. I got no idea. Oh, we got 30 viewers. Welcome. So far we're waiting for a second stage cracking correlation with GC and also for NQ. We're going on with that bearish bias into that draw, into that low. ES is looking really clean. We just traded above a relevant swing. Hopefully we can form an hourly swing or a 30-minute swing, and then yeah, we can trade it back to the downside. We get these beautiful failure swings, and just below them we got a swing. So just gonna go ahead and wait for a bit. Yeah, 4 years experience, and I started using GxT. Beautiful, nice. It's good to see. How old are you? Nice. Just like our about to hit 950 subs. Let me check. 948, beautiful. If for people out here that haven't subscribed, let's try to make it 950 and take the live stream to 25 likes. Can we make it to 25 likes, boys? If you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the... I forgot about the subs. I only tell, like, give the live stream a thumbs up. Now I'm just gonna say, oh, okay, subscribe. Hopefully by the end of this month we can be at like 1k. Looks like we need 52. We can get it. 26. Nice. Good. Very good. Okay, we got 22 lines. Keep it the grind, oh man, keep it up. Where will you post Discord community? Just at the end of this stream. My 6 Gmail and 6 subscribers. Actually, I play with all-time highs. Do you want me to? You got 46 Gmails. Holy. Crazy. RTY. Let me check RTY. I don't use RTY. Oh wow, beautiful. Such a clean move, by the way. This 9 AM is really clean. Yeah, it's really beautiful. This move is really beautiful. $949. Create. Oh, nah, bro. Thanks, buddy, but you don't have to do that, bro. Thank you so much. That's I think before the live stream ends we can get 950. We still need one. Let's see if we can get 950 subs. I'm sure we can get it by the end of the stream. Where is RTY? The first 2000, the 2000 company. Let me check something. Let me check something. Let me check. How can I keep like the life count? That's what I want to do. I like the life. Inca size theories SMG. Bro, I'm just like off the charts now. Like my brain is just thinking about a lot of things. Five, nah. There's something, bro. I'm not gonna really use that candle unless it's CIC. It's really small. I'm not really gonna trust it. I'm not gonna trust this one, bro. Let me see the M3. Maybe like this one. Maybe. If I want to be a bit aggressive, but there's nothing really here. We don't have a second stage. So this is just a expansion candle you're trying to take. You're just trying to anticipate. So there's nothing really there. The only thing for this PSP to close, and then we might have like a second stage or something. Or this might be the C3 and we can trade the continuation. So for now, I cannot really trade. Because we don't have that second crack. If you want to trade this, you're anticipating it to be a C2. So at least either that candle needs to trade above the previous candle's high, or one of them assets on that are correlated needs to break above. So that way, we can confirm the C2 by the SMT. But for now, we don't have it, so. How can I find your indicator? Let me see. I think I posted it yesterday. Let me go ahead and post that one again. This is, but again, it still needs a lot of work. So it's this one. Yeah, I think this trade might just go. If it goes, it goes. Let me see. Gold is not really giving anything. If we were far from the draw, I will take this CISD. Let me check. Do we really need two-stage continuation from the gap? I don't really think. No, we don't. But how can you confirm this is a C2 without E2 stage? At least we need E1 stage. We don't have E1 stage and we don't have E2 stage. So this is like almost like a straight gamble that just a CISD, I'm gonna take it. And also, I don't like the opposing candle. I would rather just wait for a new validation level, which is the gap. Trade it back into the gap, given that CISD. If I miss it, I miss it. So as you said, in the continuation, we don't need. But if you want to trade the C2, at least you would require a one-stage cracking correlation. But here we don't have any, so that's why I kind of waited right there. Oh, this should be yes. So it's got 7 minutes more for a candle to go. Let's see, or we'll get right there. Yeah, my only idea is like to trade back into the gap, hopefully, and then trade away from the gap, like form a new level there, and then take it. Because now we're just trading a candle, which you don't know is gonna happen. Hey man, I'm finally here a little late today. Welcome back, brother. There's a great PSP indicator I use by 11 trades. Alright. It gives a no B continuation. If it gives a no B continuation on M15 next, I'm gonna show you, but remember, if it gives that continuation, okay, you got that OB. Beautiful. But look at the draw, it's nearby, so you gotta play safe right there. Like, but that draw, 0.68. The only, only if you're aiming for that low to go, then yeah, you can't take it. But like, price might retrace from here. This is like a relevant swing, also on a 4 hour, I guess. Let me check on a 4 hour. I guess it's a relevant swing. Yeah, it's a relevant swing. So by the time we take it, we might have a new phase of price. Why your NQ is moving different than mine? Maybe because you have a CFD liquidity provider. Or maybe you have a delayed one. I'm not really sure. You can take a screenshot and send it on chat, and I can take a look. Yeah, this looks really clean. Yeah. Gold was the one for today, not gonna lie. Back to the daily open. But thanks to TradingView. Thank you, TradingView, thank you. And for this week, I only took one trade. I'm up to R. Let's see what today and tomorrow got to offer. Yeah, now it's looking beautiful, bro. Like if it gives me the CISD, that's gonna be beautiful. You save the indexation for infix here on the same data. Yesterday you said you will show what Garrett and Phase are looking on a chart, but probably forgot to show. Can you do that? Yesterday you said you will show what Garrett and Phase are looking on charts, but probably forgot to show. Can you do that? I think I did mention that yesterday. They literally just seek two-stage continuations. That's what they look for. Why not NQ and ES tonight? Why not NQ? Why not? Why not NQ and ES tonight? They are. I got them here. NQ, ES, YM, CL. I got them all. So I just gotta wait for. Now, why I can trust this one is if this one closes T3 and we got that lower time frame confirmation, then I can trade into the draw. My game is moving. Yeah, 15-minute delay. Okay. Oh, so yours probably just got. Let me check. 15 minutes. I don't know. So I see big candles on the right. Which indicator is that? This one? High time frame candles. A ditch. You know what, guys? Tomorrow, not tomorrow, today, I'm gonna open a channel which I'm gonna share the indicator that the guy shared with us. Also, I would put this indicator, share my indicator, and if you guys have any useful indicators, you can go ahead and put them there. I'm gonna give you guys access to all type in the chat, but please do not talk there. Just if you have any useful resource or anything, just post it in there. Or you can, I can make it private, and then just to keep it clean, then you can send me and then put it there, whatever you guys prefer. If you guys can keep the channel clean, that would be good. Because yeah, for somebody to just go find the indicator he needs and then. But I think the indicator that the guy shared with me, sorry man, I don't remember your name. Let me check. Sorry man. Atom, I think that the one Atom is gonna provide is the best, because he got this one and it also got the C2 closure, so it will be the best indicator though. That's gonna be on a community so far. And somebody mentioned the 11 trays PSP indicator. You can use mine or you can use 11 trays, whatever you guys prefer, and that's what you all need. That's literally what you all need. Okay, so that's really it. Use the CFD index. Yeah, for Mohammed, you can just go with the US 100. Type in US 100. I'm not really sure if you're watching the stream now. US 100, and go to. You either can choose. Wait, where is it? 4x or no. NSCs. And you're gonna go to which one she said. FXCM. Let me check. So FXCM is gonna be a NAS 100 maybe. Right? Yeah, NAS 100. So it's gonna be NAS 100 for FXCM, and yeah, you'll have the same one as us. But it didn't. I did not check the email. I just checked it right now. I will get back to you, man. Let me check the email. Let me see what's going on in the email. I'm Imon. My YouTube channel name. Moonlight. I'm waiting for. I see your message. What you just said, like you just. Okay, I saw your message. Just saw your message. Oh my God, GC, bro. My God. I was literally at the open at 10 a.m. My God, bro. Thank you, Trading View. Thank you. Can you explain the GC trade you missed? Yeah, for sure. 4 hour. Close the C2. We don't have nothing that would really cause price to reverse. We have first stage is the SMT. Second stage is the PSP. Last hourly candle, it closed as a C3. So I'm taking continuation right away. Back to the daily open. There's nothing really that would cause price to reverse off of here. So I just wanted to trade back into daily open. And also we traded back into the current low of day. We have a daily protraction, but that doesn't really matter. But what matters the most is this 4 hour. The key level. So if you really check, we have a key level here and we got the next key level here. So if price wants to reverse, it will do it from here, right? What do we see? See silver traded into that low. So now we can use that draw as it has been taken because that's the SMT. The second stage is the PSP. So now since the daily is bearish and I want to trade a reversal, I want to seek a 2 stage. That's what we got, the SMT, the PSP. Last hourly candle closing as C3. 10 a.m. is right here opening up. Do we have an open draw? We have all these failure swings. Price would not reverse from any of them. But why do I want to take a daily open? Why do I want to take a daily open? Just because we have a fat wick. So I'm trading from here and I just want to trade back to daily open. I don't know if price is going to flip bullish and continue. So yeah, that's really it for. So when you have like a big wick on a daily, I didn't want to just trade back to daily open, but as you see here, that current high, like the current high of day is really close to that daily open, so you also can use that one, but you can use daily open as a first objective. And since, and again, what do we have? A minor sweep with the CISD. I'm not really going to use these opposing candle. I'm going to use that one. We got the CISD, the closure right there with expansion. So I'm just going to go ahead and put stops here or just put it here, whatever you want to prefer. But in my case, I would most likely put it at the body. Why? Because of that expansion. I can anticipate that a new gap would form. And when we have a gap, I don't put stops at the lows. I put it at the body. So that's really what I would do. And I would take it back to daily open. And by the time this high gets taken out, let me see what it is. I think it's the previous forward. That's not really a relevant swing. That's here not really a swing I would care about. Yeah, I would care about it really. It's like a 30-minute swing, so I would move stops to break even somewhere in here. Yeah, just to kind of be safe because like I'm so close to that. So price might just retrace, take me out and then continue. So in that case, I will just move stops, manage accordingly. We don't look for the SMT and PSPD. It must be at the same time frame. Yep. No. If I want to look for 2 stages, it's better to be on the same time frame. Okay, let me see what's going on right there. Have we traded both? No, we failed. Yeah, we did. Okay, what do we got? We got a second stage. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. We have a PSP. We don't have an SMT yet, but I can just trade the first stage. It's all right for me. 30 minute. Let me see what's going on. 30. Okay. So now I'm trading the C2. Yeah, if I get that closure, boys, I'm just gonna take it. Stops at the bottom. I'm just gonna go for this low. But the 1 hour PSP is the low of the 4 hour. No, but if you go to 4 hour, that's also PSP. This one is EPSP. Look on silver. Just because it's a doji, it doesn't show it, but it is EPSP. Look on GPP. It closed bullish. Here it closed bearish. So this one is EPSP. The SMT and PSP on the same time frame. If you go for look for hourly, I don't care about this PSP. Just an extra confluence. But what do we have also? We have a PSP and a second stage here. Look at that. Second stage. Now this trade expensive. So you can also trade the 9 a.m. By the way, you can also trade the 9 a.m. guys. This one. You can take it. But since I don't trade the 9 a.m., I didn't go over that trade. You guys got the point? Give me 1 sec. Be back. It needs time to look the thing as fast as you and get it load. I'm at lens score in this time so you're at lens, nice. I was at lens and then Mohammed use UST 2026 active trades, they have same data. Also reopen of the foreign is the same as future market. Okay. I can understand in any way why Nasdaq reversed today. Because of the C2 closure, because of the trade above external. Now we're just expanding in that direction. That's it. Let me see. Oh, let me show you guys something. Let's go. 950. Thank you guys, thank you. We can push it to 1K. I think 1K before the end of the month. It's like 22 days. Each day we gotta gain 2 subscribers. We can do that. We can do that. Come on guys, if you haven't liked the live stream already, come on, give it a thumbs up. Let's see if we can reach 30 likes. Yesterday we got a new record. I think we got yesterday 27 likes, so let's see if we can break it today. It was like 2 likes to reach yesterday's record, and hopefully we can break it to 30 likes today. That's the goal. That's the goal. And if you guys have any questions, drop them in the chat, and that would be the first trade, I guess. I take a lot. Oh, the M5 was clean, bro. Did not see the M5, by the way. I was at 27. 28. Let's see, we got 2 more. We still need 2 more. Come on. Nice, boys. Nice. So we got a gap, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my stop at the body. Let me log into my trader Vate really quickly. Let me log into my trader Vate. What is it? Is it logged in here? Okay. Let me kind of get out of it. Log out. Okay. And go to trader Vate. Log in. Okay. Main. Okay. We got 28. Beautiful. Let's see. I'm gonna risk $500. I'll have to go to M&Q. I have to go into M&Q right there. I have to go to M&Q. Stops at the body. And then I'm gonna go for that swing, which is right here. Okay, beautiful. I'm gonna just try to squeeze it a little bit to give me that 2R. Spin a little bit. Beautiful. Let's see. I'm gonna go with 5 contracts right there. This is gonna wait for the closure and then just gonna hit it. Let's see if we're gonna get a clean closure. I need a clean closure. I don't need like a tick or 2. I need like a clean closure. Because this might be just a problem with the pricing. So I'm just gonna open NQ here. Just check if it closed cleanly. Okay, close cleanly. Create limit. Let me see. Give me that closure. Is it? Yeah, it's clean. Clean enough. Come on. Let's put a sell there. Your maximum. Oh, 4 contracts that I can do. Oh my god, bro. What? Your maximum order quantity has been placed. Change your quantity to place the order. If you could request an increase, please submit a risk change discount limit. What the hell? Your maximum order quantity has been met. Please change your quantity to place the order. What the hell is this, bro? Y'all have any idea what is this? What the hell? If you would like to request an increase, please. Come on, I'm allowed to take 5 contracts for 4. My god, bro. My days. What is this? Let me try with 2. I can't. 3. I can't. What the hell? Discount group rule. Please contact your broker. Y'all have any idea what is this? Discord group. Let me go to Discord. What the hell, bro? It just missed me to miss. You could just cause me to miss a trade, bro. What the? My days. What is that, bro? Y'all have an idea what is going on with like? Let me check because I'm going with funding ticks this time. Let me see. Let me try to see what's going on with funding ticks. Let me see, what does it say? Does it say your maximum order quantity has been met? Please change your quantity to place order. Account settings, limit. Okay, account settings. You go to account settings, and we go to please submit a risk change request in account settings. Yeah, 4. It's allowed to be 2. 4. Discount crew. To learn more, please contact your broker. Let me go to TraderVate login and see what's going on. What a good day. My God, man. Yeah, if this one goes to TPO down me, that would be such a good day. Let me check what's going on with TraderVate. Let me see if I can maybe log in on TraderVate and try to figure it out. If I buy the same package as you did, will I have? No, I got the real data from the funded account that I'm on. For real-time data, you need to buy separately other than okay, perfect. Okay, we're in. But I need 2 more contracts. Please, please, please. Try to find a way to give me 2 contracts. Okay, no worries. This might be like a blessing. It might take stop loss and it might just take half an hour. Let's just view it on the positive side. TraderVate, let me log into TraderVate. Let me continue. For real-time data, you need to buy separately other than TV. Yeah. If you're not on a funded account. If you don't have a funded account. But if you do have a funded account, they give you the data for free, so you don't have to buy it. Okay, let's see what is going on. So we got the CISD. It's good. Let's see. We got the gap. We got 2 gaps, so that's why I'm kind of just putting stops at the body. I'm on funding 6. But I don't know why they limited me for 2 contracts. I don't know. I have no idea why. Maybe because I knew I'm gonna take an L. That's why. Maybe. Let me see gold. Gold is going. I think that's gonna be. Nah, still. We still got hope. We still got hope. The beauty thing is, I'm only gonna lose 220. Let me see. Okay. Axis simulation. Oh wow, it's a straight. It's a straight stop, I guess. Okay, let me check the TraderVate. Settings. And I think I'm gonna get taken out right now. Yeah, I'm about to get taken out. Yeah. Let me see how much I lost. Let me see how much I'm gonna lose. I think 220, right? Money. Yeah, 220. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you, Phonetics. Thank you. I got the same issue for more than a week. Can't open more than 2 micros or 2 minis. I had no idea, bro. And on ES, like the only trade I took, it was with 1 contract, so I did not even pay attention because it was on the minis. Now they're fucking around. I gotta get my money out and just go to another profile. Come on, take me out. Come on. Imagine price reverse from here. that would be insane. What the fuck? That would be insane. I gotta talk with them. Let me send them a ticket. Send them a ticket right now. 3 minutes, the 3 micros connect me to an agent. For the best accuracy, please include key details such as the model when asking a question, missing information. Okay, let me try to give them me. What's your oh, that's my question here. Account number. Okay. Let me see if they're gonna answer right now. Let me see what is going on. I just like totally neglected the higher time frame and I was just too focused on, oh my god, bro, that's a C2, that's a C2, holy. That's not even valid. That's not even valid, not gonna lie. Even if it wins, or if, yeah, even if it goes back to, or if it manages to hit TP, it's not a valid trade, by the way. 30 minute? Yeah, I was just like so zoned out, bro. Like everything that is going on. You can trade up to 2 contracts on a future with the oh. They said I'm only allowed to trade 2 contracts because I'm on the account that allows 3k withdrawal. My god, bro. When did they manage to do that rule, bro? Good in 20 shut off. But in Qtrust, what are those white candles on the chart represent? It's a PSP. It represents a PSP. Yeah, that's not a valid trade, by the way, boys. And beautiful. Ah, man. Really unfortunate. Gold is really unfortunate. My brain tells me just cut this trade, but you know, I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Just hit full TP to remember to not get distracted from this chart. Oh wow, whoa. 3 minutes. This looks clean, by the way, guys. This looks clean, but I just wanna hit you. والله ما نقول له حتى واحد. شرف. هي السمية. شرف الدين. And what about you? DGDJ KD8WV. And how you guys found the channel? Like this, it's really interesting that you guys spotted. Like it's crazy. It's really good. Good job, man. Good job. Let me check what is going on. I typed fractal model back to Sunny came on. Nice. They charge $7 for real-time data in future. Yeah, they do. And you get it for free if you have a, like if you're trading on a Challenger fund account. Let me guys answer some messages on my phone. Like I got tons of requests about some things I do. Give me 1 sec. How can I close 50%, bro? No, bro, fuck. I want to close 50%, man. Holy. What's up? Oh my god, bro. What a day. I feel like I forgot everything. Best streamer Jason because I haven't watched your recorder streams yesterday whole night. Oh, thank you. I was anticipating that it would give me 50% to close, but you know what? That's like the price. The beauty with trading is you don't pay mistake. You don't. The mistakes you do, you pay with money. So that's the beauty of it. Yeah. Let me get back to the charts. Let me go back to full mode. I feel like I'm not performing as I should. And now price is gonna expand lower for some reason. Okay, we got a second stage. We just get to second stage. Let's see. So we got the first stage, which is the PSP, and now we got the second stage, which is the SMT. So yeah, let's just wait and see. Maybe it will flip. That's what I wanted to take one contract and leave one contract on. But it's alright. It happens. Hopefully it just doesn't go to TP directly. That would be unfortunate. GC, there's nothing really I can trade. We got a two-stage. No, we don't have a two-stage. We have like first stage, but it was here. Not really. In 15. We do have this. That's good. 3 minutes. Okay. Give me a shallow retracement. I'm gonna take. Turn off BSP to get on more time frames. Yeah, it's quite. Oh my god. Let me see if NQ is gonna dump lower. Let's see. So we're like so close to get taken out. Taking a trade from yeah, just close one. I just closed one right now. Let me go execution. I just closed one right now. It was like a 0.25 R loss. Okay, minor loss. I wanted to close 50%, but I closed everything. My mistake. That's why I bought like one. That way I got 2 sales, so now the buy one. I should have just put a buy limit and just take it a price. And it will execute, and it will take me off, but it's alright. Let's see if it's gonna end up playing out or not. It literally came back to break even, so somebody, it's okay. Yeah, you can just. But we get the 2-stage PSP, which is another confluence. The second stage, so yeah, that's why price is behaving right now. That's why it's expanding lower. I think I might close the stream a little bit early today. Yeah, that's why you really want to kind of just target the daily open and not the high, because you might just get a new phase of price or like a retracement. So better not. You get your 2R. By the time it gets to daily open, just call it a day. Like if this was me, if I saw that trade, bro, that's the one for the day. Let me see some. If I go to GC, hopefully one contract can get the job done for me. So where's the daily open? Somewhere in here. I guess just like 2R. So if I wanted to risk that one, will I face the same issue? Beautiful. That's the beauty of gold. You don't have to worry. One contract, 840. That's the beauty of it. Okay, so we got ES here, NQ here, back to your place. Okay. I wanted to see ES follow NQ on market open, but took an L on that. You tried to short, you tried to long, you tried to short. Bro, make asset synchronization very full in depth. I will. But it might take a bit because the slides, man, they take a lot of time to make. Sure, okay. They take a lot of time to make. That's the issue. Ahmed, okay. Nice to meet you, brother. Nice to meet you. Yeah, there's nothing really here, man. Like the only next level that I really want to see is like the gap itself. Form a swing, trade back into the lows. But would that happen today? Not today, like in like an hour? I'm not sure. We also have this two-stage SMT. M5. I can make it. Oh, that's really nice from you, man. Thank you. You're good at Figma? Thanks, man. That would be like a. That would be really good from your side, man. I really appreciate what you're sharing. Your backtesting videos are so powerful. You're welcome, brother. Let's go. Let's go. Let's take a look at Forex. See what's going on with Forex. Oh, it's just dumping. Okay, I really like CL. Yeah, I'm a full stack software developer and designer, so I'm good at Figma. Nice, full stack. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Good stuff. Back end and front end. Nice. That's the beauty of YouTube. Like, you can meet a lot of people with different backgrounds, different nationalities. Where you guys are from? Where you guys are from? Yesterday there were different people, so looking like an SMT fail on CL, yeah. Most likely. That's why I just want to wait for new opposing candle. Hopefully we'll have this. Hopefully we'll have this. India, nice, bro. Syria, oh, what's up? كيف الحال كيف الحال. India. India. I don't know any word in Indian. Nice, bro. Algeria. Nice. And I'm a professional PUBG player. Nice, bro. Algeria. Soon we're gonna meet brother Algeria. Soon. Egyptian, okay. Kenya, okay. مصر الدنيا. Nice. هلا بالحبيب حياك الله. Bangladesh, Pakistan. Nice guys. Nice. So we got the neighbor country Algeria, we got people Kenya. Nice. Good stuff. And I'm from Morocco, by the way. So I'm still in that short. Do you speak Hindi or Arabic? Yeah, I speak Arabic, but not Hindi or Urdu. Got an SMT fail now. Yes, we did. Here, but the opposing candle, we don't have a clean opposing candle. I'm not really gonna trust this one. I'm a little bit picky with my opposing candles, especially that these two candles just trading within that candle's range, so I cannot really trust it. Let me see if I can find an example. I'm not sure if I can find an example right now or not. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can find it, but ideally I just want to see price. Can I at least take out these lows? Me? No. I'm not from Bangladesh, bro. I'm from Morocco. Health enthusiasm. Nice. Oh, I feel tired. Come on. Let me see how many subs we got to. 950. Let me see if we got like a new sub or not. 951. Good, 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 good. Bro, from I tell it, yeah. It's most likely it says it's from Bangladesh, so I think it's from Bangladesh. I'm not Bangladesh, but I'm Bangladeshi, bro. Live in Dubai. Losses tend to game less to get to me during my evals and advice. Didn't you approach eval different than the live account? If you tend to get losses on one phase and you manage, if you manage to go to the second phase and see if you don't take L's, then probably you don't take it as serious as the second stage, which when you're funded. So that's like the only thing I could say, because I don't really know like how you trade, since when you're trading, why you take L's, do you follow your strategy or not. So that's my god, bro. Like once I missed that trade, yeah, I'm just like disconnected. I'm also answering some things on my phone, so it was just like too many things at once. So much. You're welcome, brother. You know what, guys? I'm feeling so exhausted right now. Like it's 12 for me right now. That's why like I'm probably not focusing that much. What's that? Yeah, that's the time. So I might just call it a day here, boys. Come on, let's see if we can take it to 30 legs, guys. We still got 2 legs to go. Yeah, bro, I just feel like too tired. I don't know, something happened on Earth. So I'm just feeling like, yeah. Do you have a Discord? Yeah, let me make the Discord before I go. Let me do something, guys. Open my Discord. Just take it to the other screen because I'm not sure on which screen it will pop up. So okay, it popped out on the mid screen. Let me guys take it directly here. Okay, now we're coming back to the main. Alright, let me try to fix that one. So how can I make a new one? For me, it's 10 p.m. Nice, man. You guys still early for you. It's a bit earlier than me. Like for me. And I woke up a bit early today. Not a bit. Like I woke up at 7 today, so it's feeling really exhausted. Take your time to post. I think that's probably what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I think tomorrow, guys, we'll have this. Let me know, guys, like which channels you want to guys have, or tomorrow we can just have the discussion and then try to set up everything there. All right. I think that's really it for me, guys. So PA is just not the best. Let me see how much I lost. Let me see how much I lost on that trade. Starting soon. Let me see how much I lost on that trade. I think I lost like 120 or something. I lost 135. I lost 135. I lost 135 on that trade. So I usually risk $500. So it's still like shallow. So I'm still up for the week, like 1.9 R or something. So it's not the best. It's not the best of the week. It's not gonna lie. So yeah, for you know what, guys, let me post my Instagram here, that trade on Instagram. You guys can give it a follow, and then I will post the link on the Instagram. I don't have Instagram on my phone, so I need to re-download the Instagram. So you can guys give it a follow. You can give the Instagram a follow, and then I will paste the link once it's ready right there. Okay, here's the Instagram. 29 likes. Nice. Come on, can we take it to 30? We still got one more like. If you haven't liked already, come on, give it a thumbs up. Come on. Let's see 30 likes, and I'm gonna post the Instagram. Come on, we still got one like to take it to 30. Can we get to 30 likes? Let's see. I'm excited. I feel like it's coming. I'm gonna post the IG. It's on the chat. I'm gonna post once I got 30 likes. I'm gonna post. The minute we reach 30 likes. Come on, let's see if we can make it. Let's see. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on. You haven't liked already? Come on. Give the live stream a thumbs up. Let's see if you guys can. Let's see if we can take it to 30 likes. I think the people that are here already liked, maybe. Already liked the live stream, so. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a like. I guess I can. Let me check. Yeah. Let me see. I think now. Yeah, I just gave myself a like, so now it's 30 likes. Beautiful. Oh, now we're at 31. Somebody again liked again. So we got 31 likes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right. Here we go. That's the Instagram, boys. So yeah, again, there's no profile picture right there, nothing. So I'm gonna get that sorted out because I don't use Instagram. It's been like a minute since I used Instagram, so I just use it on like my laptop just to kind of respond to messages or family or anything. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And yeah, today's stream hasn't been the best. Like we had like Wi-Fi issues, also trading view issue. And yeah, we missed a good trade and then we entered only a bad trade. So yeah, today wasn't the best. I'm gonna take notes. I'm gonna finish the live stream. I'm gonna take notes so that way these things will not happen on the next live stream. So I'm gonna make sure the internet is good, everything is good. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for breaking in your record. We got today, the peak views was 30 views and the likes were 30 likes. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. And yeah, love you guys. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow, same time, 9:30. Hopefully I can hop on a bit earlier, maybe like 9:20, so we can maybe if we find a trade. Anyways, tomorrow we see. Okay, thank you guys. See you guys. Have a good night. Take a good rest of your days. Bye bye.